About this item: universal compatibility. Auxiliary cord is perfectly compatible with any devices with a 3.5mm auxiliary port, such as connecting your laptop, iPad/iPod/iPhone/PC/tablet with an auxiliary jack to the car stereo audio, TV, headphones, earphones, speakers, amplifiers, soundbar. Enjoy music everywhere. 3.5mm audio cable, from 4 feet, 50 feet, which can extend your devices with 3.5mm jack to the desired location, simplifies the connection and enables you to enjoy music everywhere. It is perfect for headphones of broken audio cables, and car radio without Bluetooth lossless sound quality. Auxiliary cable with high pure copper core and dual shielding. Auxiliary cord offers more clear sound, perfectly restore the original audio and reduces signal loss. 3.5mm male-to-male auxiliary cable adopts 24K gold-plated plugs and aluminium shell to resist oxidation and corrosion. High-quality materials not only improve its sound quality but greatly enhance durability and flexibility. Nylon braided jacket passes 10,000 plus bending tests and is solid enough to withstand any twist, tug, and tangle. Plus, this